Do you want something to drink? Do you want something to drink? Yes, I would like some coffee. Yes, I would like some coffee. Sorry, I don't any coffee. Sorry, I don't any coffee. That's okay. I will have a glass of water. That's okay. I will have a glass of water. Would you like something to eat? Would you like something to eat? No, I am full. No, I am full. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? I am hungry. I would like to eat something. Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? I would like to an Italian restaurant. I would like to an Italian restaurant. What do you do for work? What do you do for work? I am a student. How about you? I am a student. How about you? I am a student too. I am a student too. Will you be pay with cash or check? Will you be paying with cash or check? I will pay with cash. I will pay with cash. Put in on my visa. Put in on my visa. I am sorry, but your card is not working. I am sorry, but your card is not working. What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it? Your card was declined. Your card was declined. That can't be right. That can't be right. Would you like me try to another card? Would you like me try to another card? That's my only one. That's my only one. Maybe you can just pay in cash. Maybe you can just pay in cash. I don't bring cash with me today. I don't bring cash with me today. You are not going to be able to take these items today. You are not going to be able to take these items today. I will come tomorrow with cash. I will come tomorrow with cash. I need a taxi, please. I need a taxi, please. Would you prefer a private vehicle? Would you prefer a private vehicle? No, thanks. A taxi is just fine. No, thanks. A taxi is just fine.